Welcome back to R's Choice Vault. Today we're diving into everything you need to know about the Apple MacBook Air M4 from design to performance and everything in between. The MacBook Air M4 is Apple's latest innovation in their lightweight laptop lineup. Powered by the revolutionary M4 chip, it's designed for students, professionals, and creatives who need exceptional performance in a sleek, portable design. But is it the right laptop for you? Let's find out. Let's start with the design. The MacBook Air M4 is thinner and lighter than ever, with a thickness of just 11.5 millimeters and weighing around 2.5 pounds. The aluminum body feels premium, and it's available in stunning colors like space gray, silver, midnight, and starlight. Apple continues to impress with its Magic Keyboard, providing a smooth typing experience, and the large Force Touch trackpad is perfect for precise navigation. Moving on to the display, it features a 13.6-inch liquid Retina display with a resolution of 2560 by 1664 pixels, with 500 nits of brightness and support for the P3 wide color gamut and True Tone technology. This display is perfect for editing photos, watching movies, or simply browsing the web in stunning clarity. At the heart of the MacBook Air M4 is the M4 chip, built on Apple's advanced 3nm technology. It boasts an 8-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, a 10-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine for AI-driven tasks. This means 25% faster performance compared to the M3, making it ideal for video editing, coding, or even light gaming. And with up to 18 hours of battery life, you won't be reaching for the charger anytime soon. The MacBook Air M4 runs on macOS Sonoma, which is optimized to make the most of the M4 chip. With improved multitasking, enhanced widgets, and a better Safari experience, productivity has never been this seamless. For multimedia, the MacBook Air M4 comes with a 6-speaker system featuring spatial audio and Dolby Atmos support, providing an immersive sound experience. The 1080p FaceTime HD camera ensures crystal-clear video calls, and the studio-quality 3-mic array captures your voice with precision. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E for faster and more reliable internet, and Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless pairing with devices like AirPods and keyboards. The MacBook Air M4 starts at $1,199 for the base model, and is available on Apple's official website and retail stores, with storage options ranging from 256 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. There's something for everyone. So should you buy the MacBook Air M4? If you're looking for a laptop that combines performance, portability, and style, it's hard to go wrong with this one. What do you think about the MacBook Air M4? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.